you get? How far out can you get? That's the big question in television today. And CBS has the big answer. Its fabulous new series, Lost in Space.
This is Alpha Control, resuming countdown. We are at 6 minutes, 40 seconds, and counting.
Ladies and gentlemen, today the first of what may be as many as 10 million families per year is setting out on its epic voyage into man's newest frontier for colonization, deep space.
And from all over the world, correspondents have gathered to voice their enthusiasm for this show that ventures farther out in concept than television has ever gone before. You can say it in any language. Lost in Space is a top-budget, top-quality show designed to dazzle the eye and ear with the most impressive production values and spectacular effects ever lavished on any TV series. We've put it on the launching pad for the new season in a trajectory aimed at the mass family market, appealing to every age group with entertainment as unusual as it is exciting.
Countdown minus 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off!
Yes, we're taking off for the stars on a journey that no longer seems as far out and fantastic as it would have only a few years ago. For now we live in the space age. Mr. and Mrs. Average American and all their kids have marveled at the heroic exploits of our pioneer astronauts. They're ready to project themselves into the foreseeable future with this family of space explorers. If you're wondering about a certain lack of animation in their expressions, it's because they've been frozen solid to survive the tremendous time span of travel to another galaxy. The journey interrupted en route when their ship is blasted by a barrage of meteors. Battered off course, they're drawn into the orbit of a mystery planet. The Robinson family, space shipwrecked on this alien, forbidding soil in the year 2000 AD, and your audience will be with them all the way, sharing their action-packed adventures. For instance, wouldn't Dad like to use this gadget to beat that throughway traffic? It's the jet-propelled rocket belt worn by Guy Williams, who made his mark as Zorro, and now plays space scientist John Robinson, resourceful father of this castaway family. Maureen Robinson is played by popular June Lockhart, now setting up lighthouse keeping 5,000 light years away from Lassie. But there are still plenty of pets around, like Debbie, a weird little critter who's bound to appeal to all the youngsters, the playmate of young Penny, portrayed by Angela Cartwright. Billy Mooney plays her brother, Will, an intrepid young giant killer whose adventures will keep kids of all ages glued to their TV sets. Marta Kristen is their pretty big sister, Judy, who has a problem every teenager will relate to. What's she going to do for boyfriends? There's a good answer. Mark Goddard as Robinson's handsome young scientific assistant who shares their exile from Earth. All of them facing an odyssey into the unknown, which will carry them into fascinating new terrain in every story. You'll see them travel on land and sea in this atom-powered convertible chariot, caught in the fury of a devastating typhoon.
We're not getting any power. I'll go up and see if I can fix them.
Now?
You can't risk it. Have to. But our power will capsize. It's too late. We're right in the middle of it.
You'll see them explore the depths of a jungle paradise, spied upon by the lurking sentries of a humanoid civilization, whose culture is a strange blend of saintliness and savagery. You'll be trapped with them as an earthquake shatters this underground city of the dead. That's just a sample of the far-out shows now being generated in the fertile imagination of producer and creator Irwin Allen, to be filmed with the full resources of 20th Century Fox behind him. We at CBS feel that Lost in Space has those special qualities which make one show take off from the pack. Its greatest potential is among your most desirable customers, the younger and larger families with the greatest mass purchasing power. We're sold on Lost in Space because we know it can sell for you.